Hey everyone, it's Tammy, and today we are going to make this cute little monster card. I think it is just adorable. I love this guy. He's the whole reason I got this kit because, or this, yeah, the stamp set. Oh, and what did I do with it? Oh, here it is. It's called Peekaboo Scary Pals from Avery L. And this guy is my favorite. He just is, I don't know, he's cute. I like him. I don't know why, but I do. So I went ahead and cut out things ready for this card, and I kind of made a little kit for myself so that I could show you guys what I did. So I have a card base that is cut at 8.5 by 11, or that was an 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper. I cut it down in half so that it is 8.5 by 5.5, and then I scored it in half, so it's now a 4.25 by 5.5 inch card, and this is called an A2 sized card. And this is what's most common for us card makers. And then I have a piece of cardstock that I just did a circle cut with one of my scalloped circles, and I did that right in the middle. And this is size 4 by 5.25, so it's 1/4 inch smaller than the base. So you can see it has a little nice border around it. And same with this one. This is just a piece of navy cardstock, and it is cut the same size, but now you can see the navy through the hole. So that's how I did that one. So this card, and I also went ahead and cut out and colored the little dinosaur and the balloons that we're going to use. And I used my alcohol markers to color these. And I know sometimes you guys like to see the coloring, but sometimes it's easier, honestly, to just do it first, especially since I'm not an expert. I feel kind of like I should know a little more about it before I start teaching it, but I still do color in front of you guys and just tell you that, hey, I'm not an expert, but there are plenty of people on YouTube that are, and I watch some of them too, so that I can learn how to do it and get different ideas. So if that's what you're looking for, you might check out some of those videos. Just go to how to, and if you look up Copic, that one will show you alcohol markers in general. Now, you're not going to have maybe the same colors if you don't buy the same brand, of course, but you'll get something close. And I'm just putting glue on the back of my navy and going to just center that in the middle of this cardstock. Just like that. And then for this one, I'm actually going to use some foam tape, and I have it in this big roll that I buy from Amazon, and I'm just going to put it down. And the roll is cheaper than buying it by the, oh, I shouldn't have done it that way. That's all right. I should cut it before I put it on there because I kind of made it too tight. And I want this to stick up, like I want it to be raised, but I don't want it to be too close so that I can still stick my dinosaur down. So I'm going to put this one right there. So I'm leaving a little bit of space between my circle and the tape so that I won't interfere with the dino. And I'm going to put a piece here and a piece on the other side, just because I want this to be pretty stable and I want it to have like a solid base, I guess. And then we can go ahead and stick this on. Since everything is already colored and everything, we don't have to worry about that. And that's the way I would do it even if I wasn't doing a video. I would go ahead and color and cut those out and have them ready before I put this down. So I'm just going to place this right on top because remember, they're the same size. And I didn't do a great job. You can see some over here, but you know what? This is crafting in real life, so I'm not even going to worry about it. And then what I'm going to do is I took a piece of twine and I'm going to cut this in half so that the little dinosaur or the balloons have little strings. And these are going to attach to the dinosaur too. But I'm going to go ahead and put them on the back of the balloons. So to do that, what I did is put the balloons down, and then I took some glue and just kind of put it in the middle where the balloon end, the tie is. And I took some of my foam and I cut just a little piece, and then I cut this piece in half. And then I take one of my strings and put it right there, and then I'm putting this foam tape right over the top of it. And I'm going to do the same thing with this one. I just take this string and put it there, and then take this foam tape, put it right over the top of it. And I push it down pretty good so I know that it's sticking. And then I'm going to take my dinosaur and I'm going to put him in here. Now he has a little notch on him, so I like to kind of tuck that notch in and then have him kind of sticking out just a little bit. And I should have an arm. Oh, don't tell me I lost his little hand, because this is the second hand that I've lost, if I did. Oh, lordy, lordy, where's his little hand? He needs a hand to hold the balloons. Well, let me look again. So I'm going to put glue on him because he's going to stick right to the card. But again, that little piece that's notched out is going to be lifted up. You can put him wherever you want. And I am going to see if I can find his little hand. I don't know if I dropped it. Oh! I found it! I found it! Yay! And I did put a little bit of glossy accents like on his teeth, and I used one of the Nouveau crystal drops for his eye. And then I also put some of the glossy accents on his claw. So let's see. Now I'm going to put the balloons down, and I'm just going to go ahead and take the tape off. And I'm going to put one balloon about right there. And I'm just making sure I have enough string to do whatever it is that I'm looking to do, which I don't even know yet. It's fine, just however you want to do it. And then my other balloon right there, and then so they meet right there, so that's where his hand is going to be close to. And I kind of like how this one's all curling up. I don't even know why it is doing that, but I'm just going to go with it. So what I'm going to do is carefully move these, put some glue down, move it back, move this one, put some glue down, move it back. And I'm even going to open or lift this up and put a little dab of glue down so that the strings will stay the way that they are. And I don't really care about the ends. They can be however. And then I'm going to put some glue on the top, and that's where his little claw hand are going to go. So I'm going to put that right there. And I'm just kind of pushing it down a little bit. And that's the whole card. Isn't that cute? And it's pretty easy once you, I mean, I think the hardest part about card making is designing the card. And then once you've designed the card, it's pretty easy from there, most of the time. I mean, sometimes it's hard, but coloring and stuff, not really hard. I don't know. I just love to make cards, so it's so much fun. And this would be a really cute MD card too. And I don't think it has to be a birthday. I think it could be celebrate or whatever. I didn't put a sentiment on it or in it because I like to leave them until I know what I'm going to give it to. I mean, this could easily be a happy birthday card, of course, but then it could also be congratulations or just checking in or whatever you wanted it to be. And I think it just turned out really cute. So I hope you guys like it, and I hope that you guys try something like it. Again, this is the Peekaboo Scary Pals from Avery L. And there are both of the cards. Yay! So thanks for watching, and have a great day. Bye-bye.